Today, the cryptocurrency world is buzzing with excitement as Bitcoin, the king of digital money, has made a spectacular leap in price. As of June 26, 2025, a single Bitcoin is now worth over $108,000, a significant jump that has caught the attention of investors everywhere. This powerful surge has sent waves of optimism throughout the entire market, pushing the total value of all cryptocurrencies to an impressive $3.43 trillion. It's a clear sign that confidence is growing and more people are seeing the potential of digital assets. This upward trend isn't just a random fluctuation, it's a direct response to several major global events that are creating a very favorable environment for crypto to thrive and expand its reach. The primary force behind this incredible price rally is a combination of positive developments on the world stage. Specifically, hopeful news about potential peace agreements in the Middle East has calmed many global economic fears. When there is less uncertainty in the world, investors often feel more comfortable moving their money into assets like Bitcoin, which they see as a modern store of value. Furthermore, the United States Central Bank, known as the Federal Reserve, has hinted that it will be taking a softer approach to its financial policies. This usually means it's easier and cheaper to borrow money, which encourages spending and investment in assets that offer high growth potential, including cryptocurrencies. This fantastic price movement has put Bitcoin in a very strong position. Market experts who study charts and trends are pointing to a bullish sentiment, which means they expect the price to continue climbing. They are watching to see if Bitcoin can break through the next major price wall, which is set at the $110,000 mark. If it successfully pushes past this level, some analysts are even predicting that it could soar towards an astonishing $130,000 in the near future. While the market is currently overbought, suggesting some short-term price swings are possible, the overall feeling is one of great positivity and anticipation for what lies ahead. The entire crypto market is feeding off this energy, with trading activity reaching over $100 billion in just the last 24 hours. This shows an immense level of engagement from both small, everyday investors and large financial institutions. Bitcoin's dominance in the market remains solid at over 62%, proving that it continues to be the main driver of the digital currency ecosystem. As Bitcoin leads the charge, it creates a powerful tailwind that lifts other cryptocurrencies along with it. This big day for Bitcoin is not just a win for its holders, it's a moment that energizes the whole crypto space and sets a positive tone for the coming weeks. The recent surge in crypto prices is not just a coincidence. It's closely tied to increasing acceptance from both governments and major corporations. Around the world, countries are beginning to create clear rules for digital currencies, which is a very positive step. For instance, Vietnam has just introduced a formal legal framework for cryptocurrencies, including important rules to prevent money laundering. This kind of official recognition makes the market safer and more predictable for everyone involved. When governments provide clear guidelines, it reduces risk and encourages more people and businesses to participate, building a stronger foundation for the future of digital finance and attracting serious, long-term investors. In the United States, similar progress is being made to establish a clear regulatory structure for the crypto industry. Lawmakers are actively working on new proposals that aim to define how digital assets should be treated, which would provide much-needed clarity for companies and investors. This move towards regulation is a sign of the industry's growing maturity. Furthermore, in a groundbreaking development, major U.S. mortgage lenders are now considering allowing digital asset holdings to be included when people apply for home loans. This could connect the massive $12 trillion mortgage market with the crypto world, opening up incredible new possibilities for how people use their digital wealth in their everyday lives. Another huge vote of confidence is coming from the corporate world, where big companies are now adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. A shining example of this is Metaplanet, a Japanese investment firm that recently announced it has acquired more Bitcoin, bringing its total holdings to an impressive 12,345 BTC. This move places Metaplanet ahead of well-known companies like Tesla in terms of Bitcoin ownership. When established firms invest heavily in Bitcoin, it sends a powerful message to the rest of the market that they see it as a legitimate and valuable asset for the future. This trend is helping to normalize Bitcoin as a corporate treasury asset. This wave of institutional adoption is creating a snowball effect, encouraging even more companies and investment funds to get involved. The New York Stock Exchange, one of the most famous financial institutions in the world, is reportedly exploring the possibility of listing investment products tied to cryptocurrencies. This would make it easier than ever for mainstream investors to get exposure to assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum through traditional and trusted channels. The combined force of clearer regulations and growing corporate interest is building a solid launching pad for the next phase of cryptocurrency growth, making the market more stable and accessible for everyone. While Bitcoin is enjoying its moment in the spotlight, the performance of other major cryptocurrencies, often called altcoins, presents a more varied picture. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, is also riding the positive wave, with its price climbing to around $2,488. Ethereum is currently trying to push through a key resistance zone between $2,450 and $2,500. If it can successfully break past this barrier, analysts believe it could be on its way to a higher target of around $2,720. This shows that the positive sentiment is not just limited to Bitcoin, but is also benefiting other major players in the crypto space, especially those with strong technology and a large community of users. On the other hand, some popular altcoins are facing a tougher battle. Solana, known for its fast transaction speeds, is trading at about $145. While it saw a small increase, its outlook is considered neutral to bearish for the time being. It needs to overcome resistance at the $148 level to regain its upward momentum. Similarly, the famous meme-inspired cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, is priced around 16 cents. Despite a slight bump, its trading volume has been low, and experts suggest it looks weak in the short term. For Dogecoin to turn bullish, it would need to push past the 16.8 cent mark. Otherwise, it risks falling to lower support levels. Litecoin, one of the oldest cryptocurrencies, is trading near $85. Its current outlook is also turning more bearish, as data suggests that some long-term holders are beginning to sell their coins to take profits. This kind of activity can create downward pressure on the price as more coins become available on the market. These mixed results across the altcoin market show that while Bitcoin's success can lift the entire industry, each individual cryptocurrency still depends on its own unique factors, such as its technology, community support, and recent developments. It is a reminder that the crypto market is diverse and not all coins move in perfect unison. This varied performance highlights an important lesson for anyone interested in the crypto world. Every digital asset has its own story and its own path. While the overall market trend is positive, driven by Bitcoin's powerful rally, investors are still carefully evaluating each altcoin's individual strengths and weaknesses. The success of Ethereum shows that strong fundamentals can attract buyers, while the struggles of Dogecoin and Litecoin indicate that market sentiment can shift quickly. This dynamic environment makes the altcoin arena a fascinating space to watch, full of both opportunities and challenges for traders and investors alike. As the cryptocurrency market continues to grow and evolve, so do the conversations around its impact on the world. One of the most persistent concerns has been the environmental footprint of crypto mining, particularly for Bitcoin, which requires a massive amount of energy to secure its network. However, the industry is actively working to address these issues. A growing number of mining operations are now shifting towards using sustainable and renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydropower. This move towards green mining is a crucial step in ensuring the long-term viability and social acceptance of cryptocurrencies, proving that innovation and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Alongside these environmental efforts, new and exciting ways for people to engage with cryptocurrencies are constantly emerging. One trend that is gaining popularity is cloud mining, which allows individuals to participate in crypto mining without having to own or manage any complex hardware. New AI-driven cloud mining services are making it even easier for users to earn rewards from Bitcoin and Ethereum, opening up the world of crypto creation to a much broader audience. Additionally, trading games and competitions are becoming a popular way for people to learn about the market in a fun and interactive way, with large prize pools attracting thousands of participants and fostering a vibrant community. These innovations are helping to make the crypto space more accessible and engaging than ever before. By lowering the barriers to entry, technologies like cloud mining allow more people to become active participants in the digital economy. The rise of trading games also serves an educational purpose, helping newcomers understand market dynamics in a low-risk environment. This continuous stream of new products and services is essential for the industry's growth, as it attracts fresh interest and encourages wider adoption. The future of crypto is not just about price movements, it's about building a rich and diverse ecosystem that offers real value and utility to its users. In summary, today has been a landmark day for the cryptocurrency market, driven by Bitcoin's incredible surge past $108,000. This rally was fueled by positive global news and growing institutional adoption, highlighted by Metaplanet's significant investment. While altcoins showed mixed results, the overall trend is one of increasing maturity, supported by clearer regulations in countries like Vietnam and the US. As the industry continues to innovate with green mining solutions and user-friendly platforms, it is building a more sustainable and accessible future. Today's events serve as a powerful reminder of crypto's resilience and its expanding role in the global financial landscape.